Greetings of the day. I, Chavi Gupta, welcome you all in today's session. In the previous session, we have discussed about the shadow and how it is formed. Now, we will discuss about image and the laws of reflection. We have seen that when we stand in front of a mirror, we can see our face. So what it is known as image. But when we stand in front of a sunlight and an opaque object is available on the screen, we will see that the shadow is formed. But when we stand in front of a mirror in the presence of a source of sunlight, we will get an image over there. Now, what is an image? What is an image? An appearance produced by light from an object reflected from a mirror. Means कोई भी एक ऐसी अपीयरेंस जो आपके लाइट ने प्रोड्यूस की है किसकी, एक ऑब्जेक्ट की, रिफ्लेक्टेड फ्रॉम अ मिरर, मिरर से लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट होके आप तक आई है, तभी आपके फेस आपकी इमेज बनी है कहाँ पे, मिरर में. नाउ प्रीवियस क्लास में हमने पता शेडो गिव्स एन आउटलाइनिंग स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. हमने पता कि शेडो सिर्फ आपको स्ट्रक्चर दिखाएगा कि कैसा खड़ा है आपका, कैसा है, बट एक्चुअल में वो ये नहीं दिखाएगा आपको कि आपने कौन सा कलर यूज़ किया या आपने कौन सा कलर वियर किया है. बट इमेज आपको डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन देगा बिकॉज इट इज़ एज सेम एज दैट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ सी, दिस गर्ल हैज़ टू टेल्स, fine, two ponytails. So in the mirror you are showing two ponytails. She has two hands are showing. She wear a red dress, so it is shown in the red dress. She wear a necklace of blue color, so blue color necklace is shown in the mirror. So it is known as image, which gives you a detailed structure of an object. Now what are the conditions for an image formation? First is a light source, second is an object, and third one is a screen. In a shadow we have screen as an floor, but in image formation we want screen as a mirror. Light source was there and object was there, but here we want a screen as mirror. Now what are the characteristics of image? डिटेल स्ट्रक्चर देता भी आपने पीछे समझाया. सेम है सेट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. इट माइट बी पॉसिबल जैसा आपको ऑब्जेक्ट दिख रहा है एग्जैक्टली वैसा ही हो, बट साइज के अकॉर्डिंग इट कैन बी लार्ज, स्मॉल और सेम साइज. नाउ सी, the boy is standing in front of a mirror. Sorry, just a minute. The boy is standing in front of a mirror and he is exactly the same size as that he is. जैसा वो है वैसे ही आपको इमेज में दिख रहा है. बट वेन वी सी इन द कार मिरर, जब हम कार का साइड वाला मिरर देखते हैं, साइड व्यू मिरर देखते हैं, तो वहाँ पर आपको व्हीकल्स स्मॉलर इन साइज दिखते हैं. मीन्स हेयर वी हैव सेम साइज, हेयर वी हैव स्मॉलर साइज. Now you can see over here that the car is small in size but we are seeing a larger one. So here we have large image. So that means image can be smaller, can be bigger, can be of the same size. Now but how the image is formed? हम कह रहे हैं हमारी इमेज बन रही है, हमारा फेस एग्जैक्टली मिरर में विजिबल है, बट क्यों है और कैसे है? नो, इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड टू रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट फ्रॉम अ सरफेस. मीन्स आपकी लाइट सोर्स आ रही है, वो रिफ्लेक्ट हो रही है एक मिरर के सरफेस से, तभी आपकी इमेज फॉर्मेशन हो रही है. नाउ व्हाट इज रिफ्लेक्शन? द बाउंसिंग बैक और स्ट्राइकिंग ऑफ लाइट रेज फ्रॉम अ स्मूथ सरफेस. सपोज दिस इज़ योर मिरर, आपकी लाइट रेज सन से आई, स्ट्राइक करने के बाद वो इस सरफेस से स्ट्राइक करने के बाद वो वापस आपकी आइज में रीच कर रही है. देन ओनली यू आर एबल टू सी द ऑब्जेक्ट. Now it involves three rays, that is incident ray, reflected ray and the normal ray. Now let's see what is reflection. See, Ramu is lighting a torch. It goes on the mirror. Apu is handling the mirror. Now when it goes on the mirror, it is going on the mirror. This mirror reflects the light ray and we can see Raju. So it is known as reflection. Again, Ramu is having a torch in his hand. He is lighting the torch and the light ray strikes on the mirror. Now Appu is handling the mirror. So when the light ray strikes on the mirror, it goes back. That is reflection takes place and it reaches to Raju, and therefore we can see Raju over here. Now we have, therefore we studied what is reflection. So we have laws of reflection. Before that, we will see what are the main terms. The first is incident ray, second is the reflected ray, and third one is a normal ray. What is the incident ray? Suppose this is your mirror. Fine. This is your mirror. The light ray from a source is coming. See in the previous example. Torch is a light source. Fine. A light source है. This light ray is coming on the mirror, so it is known as your incident ray. It is known as your incident ray. Now it is a mirror. From mirror it is striking. Mirror पे strike कर रही है and it goes back. So this going back of light ray, it is known as reflected ray. It is known as reflected ray. Now we have in middle a normal ray. This is your normal, which is perpendicular, means for 90 degree का आपका एंगल फॉर्म करेंगी. Now what is an incident angle? Now first see this one.
Our topic for today is laws of reflection. Consider this ray of light which strikes a mirror. This ray of light is called the incident ray. The point at which the incident ray strikes the mirror is called the point of incidence.
Let's go up.
Draw a line perpendicular to the mirror through the point of incidence. This line is called normal. The angle which the incident ray makes with the normal is called the angle of incidence.
Now see, it is forming an angle with the incident ray, this one, and the normal. So it is known as angle of incidence.
Is called the angle of incidence.
Now angle of incidence is noted by a small I.
It's still not working. My idea is not over yet.
When the incident ray strikes the mirror, it will bounce off the mirror. The ray which bounces off is called the reflected ray.
See, the light ray is reflected from the surface of mirror, so it is known as reflected ray. Now, when unreflected ray forms an angle with a normal, it is known as reflected angle.
The angle which the reflected ray makes with the normal is called angle of reflection.
Now, next we will see. So we have terms, that is incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal. Incident angle is the angle which is formed with the incident ray and the normal ray, as we have seen in the video. Now, reflected angle is the angle that is formed with the normal and the reflected ray. Now, what is a mirror? It is a surface on which the light ray strikes and reflects back. वो surface of light जो वो surface जहाँ पे light ray strike करे, it is known as mirror. Now see, यही हमने diagram पीछे देखा. This is a source. Fine. Light ray is coming, so it is known as incident ray. we always denote it from arrows from where it is coming and it is going back. So I have drawn an arrow over here. So it is an incident ray. This is the normal which is perpendicular to the mirror. Now it is reflecting back from the mirror. This is your mirror. It is reflecting back. We are denoting that in this direction it is reflecting back. Now the angle between the incident ray and the normal, it is known as angle of incidence. Now angle of reflection is the angle between the reflected ray and the normal, it is known as angle of reflection. It is I and it is R. Okay, so first law of reflection says that angle of incidence, this angle of incidence is always equals to angle of reflection. Second law of reflection says that the incident ray, the reflected and the normal all lie in the same plane. This is the same plane. Now at the point of incidence, this is your point of incidence. Now see the video again from the starting now. It's just a recapitulation of laws
Our
of
topic
reflection.
for today is laws of reflection.
Here this torch acts as a source of light.
Good job.
Now here you will see that the light source shifts, means it changes the angle. Now what happens, see forward.
What happened to our light? No idea. I have an idea. Really? Huh?
Now see, the person drags the mirror over here. Now what will happen, that the light ray from the mirror gets reflected. So it is known as reflection.
Consider this ray of light which strikes a mirror. This ray of light is called the incident ray. The point at which the incident ray strikes the mirror is called the point of incidence.
Huh? Let's go up.
Draw a line perpendicular to the mirror through the point of incidence. This line is called normal. The angle which the incident ray makes with the normal is called the angle of incidence.
It's still not working. My idea is not over yet.
When the incident ray strikes the mirror, it will bounce off the mirror. The which bounces off is called the reflected ray. The angle which the reflected ray makes with the normal is called angle of reflection.
Now see, he is getting another mirror. Now what will happen? Now the first reflection is from the bottom. Now he is again reflecting the light ray, so it is known as second reflection. This is the second reflection in the top.
Let us learn the two laws of reflection. The angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. If the angle of incidence is 30 degrees, then the angle of reflection will also be 30 degrees. Remember that these angles are always measured from the normal, not from the mirror. The incident ray, the normal at the point of incidence, and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane.
I hope these laws of reflection are clear to you. Now, what we have studied, that is image, reflection and laws of reflection. Now you have to do an activity at your home, that take a coin and place in a mirror. Suppose this is your mirror and place a coin in front of the mirror. Now in the presence of source of light, say torch or sun rays, now you have to record what is your observation. आपने क्या देखा, मिरर में क्या दिख रहा है आपको वो रिकॉर्ड करना है. सेकेंड एक्टिविटी इज दैट टेक द सेम कॉइन, आपको वही सेम कॉइन लेना है, बट नाउ यू हैव टू प्लेस द मिरर लाइक दिस, दैट इज फॉर्मिंग एन 90 डिग्री एंगल. नाउ व्हाट विल यू ऑब्जर्व, रिकॉर्डेड ऑब्जर्वेशन. आप कॉइन को यहाँ रखेंगे, आपको क्या दिखता है मिरर में, आप कैसी इमेज फॉर्मेशन हो रही है, कितनी इमेज फॉर्मेशन हो रही है, आपको वो रिकॉर्ड करना है. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.